Hey everyone, we've got a couple of new GT Spirits in the collection this week. First up is the Jeep Gladiator. This is a pretty neat vehicle overall. I mean, think of all the things this does. This is a hardtop convertible, pickup truck, four-wheel drive with an optional stick. It kind of does everything. Typical GT Spirit quality, which is pretty good. Paint quality is good. The windows aren't particularly bowed, because they're obviously nice and flat. This is, the Gladiator is Wrangler based. Slightly different grille setup for better cooling for the Gladiator. This is car number 717 out of 999. Pretty detailed underneath, the molded spare tire and whatnot. A variety of drivetrains in these. Turbo 4, standard V6, and the V6 diesel, which is probably the coolest engine option, but it's not available with the stick. The only way to get the stick is the naturally aspirated 3.6 liter V6. Kind of a bummer. Interior is decent from what you can make out. This would have retailed for like $139-ish. There are no really great deals to be had on them. I think I paid $115 shipped. I mean, at that price I'm not mad at it. Nothing special. Neither is the packaging anything special, just typical black GT Spirit box with a little peekaboo of what you're going to get. Next up, we've got a Charger, a Dodge Charger Hellcat Daytona wide body. It's a bit of a mouthful. You can obviously tell the wide body by the flared fenders. I think it's a $6,000 option. The Daytona is another option package. And of course, it's hard to keep track of the output of these, but the Hellcats debuted with 707 horsepower. But I think in this year, maybe 2020 and above, it was 717. And then of course there's the Red Eye, which I think is 797. Wanted one of these for a while. The grills are not open, which is a bit of a downer. Something I kind of expect from GT Spirit. Interior, kind of hard to make out, pretty good. I do like this color a lot. The only other color I like is there's a really nice green. Wheels and tires are good. This is car number 316. I think out of 999 again. Again, pretty detailed underneath for resin. Remember, nothing opens. It's the nature of the game with resin. Pretty neat car. This one I got a slightly better price, $90 shipped. At that price, I'm certainly not mad at. Very good deal for it. Retails like $139-ish. Packaging again. This is a USA exclusive, so it's not in the black box. There's your little peekaboo. So that's it for this week. Hope you like it. Please tune in, like, and subscribe for next week. Everyone have a good one.